In today's video, we're diving into the world of AI-powered businesses that you can start with absolutely zero upfront capital. That's right, using advanced AI tools and platforms, you can automate processes, generate income, and build a successful business from the ground up. If you're ready to explore these opportunities, stick around. Section 1. Introduction to AI-powered businesses. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can help you launch and scale a business without breaking the bank. From automating tedious tasks to creating high-quality content, AI can be your secret weapon in building a profitable business. Today we're going to explore a range of AI-driven business ideas that require little to no capital to get started. Section 2. AI Content Creation Business. First up, we have the AI content creation business. Content is king in today's digital world. And with AI tools like Copy.ai and Jasper, you can produce high-quality written content for blogs, social media, or marketing campaigns in a fraction of the time. These tools can generate articles, product descriptions, and even ad copy, allowing you to offer content creation services without needing to be a professional writer. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a basic understanding of these tools. You can start offering your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or even create your own website to attract clients. Section 3. AI-driven e-commerce business. Next, let's talk about starting an AI-driven e-commerce business. Tools like Shopify and Oberlo allow you to set up an online store without holding any inventory. But what makes it even more powerful is using AI for product recommendations, customer service chatbots, and even inventory management. For example, you can use AI-powered chatbots like ChatFuel to handle customer inquiries 24/7, improving customer satisfaction and increasing sales. Plus, AI tools can help you analyze market trends and optimize your product listings for better conversions. Section 4. AI video creation business. The third idea is an AI video creation business. With tools like InVideo and Pictory, you can create professional quality videos for businesses, YouTube channels, or social media content. These platforms allow you to produce videos quickly by providing templates, stock footage, and AI-driven editing features. Video content is in high demand, and businesses are always looking for fresh, engaging videos to promote their products or services. By offering AI-powered video creation services, you can tap into this market without needing expensive equipment or editing skills. Section 5. AI social media management business. Another lucrative option is starting an AI social media management business. Managing multiple social media accounts can be time-consuming, but with AI tools like Buffer and Hootsuite, you can automate scheduling, content curation, and even engagement. You can offer social media management services to small businesses or influencers who need to maintain an active online presence but lack the time to do so. The AI tools will handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on growing your client base. Section 6. AI-powered chatbot business. Finally, consider starting an AI-powered chatbot business. Businesses increasingly rely on chatbots to provide customer support, handle inquiries, and even facilitate sales. With platforms like ManyChat and MobileMonkey, you can create custom chatbots for businesses without needing any coding skills. You can offer these chatbots as a service, charging a setup fee or a monthly retainer for ongoing support. It's a scalable business model with low overhead, perfect for anyone looking to get into the AI space. Section 7. Conclusion and call to action. And there you have it. 5 AI-powered businesses you can start with zero upfront capital. Whether you're looking to generate side income or build a full-fledged business, these ideas offer a fantastic opportunity to leverage AI for success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to techguru_AI, and leave a comment below. Let us know which AI business idea you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.